In today's class, we will be learning the topic, data modeling. Data modeling is the process of structuring and organizing data. The data structures are then typically implemented in a database management system. In addition to defining and organizing the data, data modeling may also impose constraints or limitations on data placed within the structure. Data models describe structured data for storage in data management systems such as relational databases. They do not describe unstructured data such as word processing documents, email messages, pictures, digital audio and video. Data modeling captures system designs into understandable data representations, providing structure and facilitating compatibility across systems through consistent use within database management systems, DBMS. Data structure. A data model describes the structure of the data within a given domain and, by implication, the underlying structure of that domain itself. Data organization. A data model also describes how to organize data using a database management system. Approach in data modeling. There are different approaches to data modeling, including conceptual data modeling. The conceptual data modeling identifies the highest level relationships between different entities. This is the first step in organizing the data requirements. Logical data modeling. The logical data modeling illustrates the specific entities, attribute and relationships involved in a business function. It serves as the basis for the creation of the physical data model. Physical data modeling. The physical data modeling represents an application and database-specific implication of a logical data model and describes the physical means used to store data. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.